Hey everyone, so this is a short video showing basically how I ordered my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'd already added basically the specification of the phone that I wanted, 512 gig Pacific Blue, to my favorites the day or a couple of days before. And basically on the day, this is the same routine that I've done for the last few years. So I always use the app to order. And basically it's just a case of as it gets to whatever the time is, it just happened to be 1 p.m. this year. Basically you got to kill the app and just keep going in. Now if you do kill it and go back in too often, then it's not actually fully refreshing. So that's why in this little section here, I've just waited till it actually hits 1. I'll then try it again, and then basically every time you kill it, obviously you do have to remember it's got to clear it out of the RAM. So give it a few seconds before you do actually go in. But as you'll see, this whole process actually takes me less than 3 minutes. And basically, as soon as this loads up, you'll be able to see. Now, I was a little worried about using Apple Pay again because I have had issues with that in the past. I'll discuss that a little later on anyway. But basically at this point, yeah, it's past 1 o'clock, so you can see it says almost there. So at this stage, it's literally just a case of the app booting up. So once again, just killing the app, going back in, try and give it a few seconds in between, just to give it a chance to actually refresh. I think mine actually kicked in by 1 minute past the hour. Let's just see. Or it might have actually been 2 minutes past. I can't remember exactly. So yeah, here, obviously I've given it a few seconds, kill it again. And this is probably the most annoying part. And then once you get on, as long as you're doing one order and you're not adding loads of other items, I'd already added the 20-watt charger and the MagSafe to the cart, literally just to test them out. It wasn't really that I needed them. I probably won't actually be using them, ironically, because with my setup that I have near my bed, basically I only ever charge the phone overnight, and the Apple Watch I've got set up so then I charge that during the day, either when I first get up in the mornings if I'm on a later shift, or later in the day if I'm on the morning shift. So yeah, so now it's gone in, so it goes straight to the For You tab. It's already in my favorites. Literally just scroll down. The only thing that you have to remember here is click no for trading and then pay in full, and then add it to your bag. And then once you've done that, go to your bag and basically decide how you're going to pay. So obviously in this occasion, I've chosen pay with Apple Pay again because I didn't really want to be re-entering card details and everything like that. And basically just double check the details now in terms of delivery dates, stuff like that. And then once it comes up, basically the only thing I have to do every single time is change the address. I have to remember to do this because a couple of my orders have messed up because it defaults to an older address, even though that older address has been removed from every resemblance of the system that I could actually find. So it's not on the app when I actually go in normally, but whenever I go to pay, it does show up. So yeah, double tap and basically that's about it. Order placed. Okay, so that's my iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-order done. As you can see from the video, basically it didn't take long at all once the app was actually fully enabled. The only thing was, obviously, I'm a little unsure about the address details and things like that. In the past, as you'll see from my rant video, I've had issues ordering devices through the app. Simply because of the fact that I moved address, and for some reason every time I use Apple Pay it always uses the old address and an older card number for some reason. So I double checked both details this time. I did actually ring Apple straight away because I'm meant to be getting a £100 credit from a previous order. But unfortunately nothing's on their systems yet, so I'll have to give them a ring again in a couple of hours time, or maybe tomorrow, in order to get the credit applied. But essentially what I went for was the iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 gig Pacific Blue. What I also ordered was the 20-watt USB-C charger, as well as the MagSafe charger. The MagSafe charger, to be honest, only reason I've actually ordered it is just to test it out and have like an extra one lying about. I don't particularly need it. Same thing with the 20-watt charger. But I figured, seeing as I was getting that credit anyway, essentially that I'm getting those for free. So I don't really mind that too much. But obviously the phone delivers on Friday the 13th. The 20-watt charger will come, says Wednesday the 11th, and the MagSafe will be sometime late November, so 17th to 24th. But yeah, that's my order placed. So let me know down in the comments below if any of you guys actually went for either the Pro Max or the Mini pre-order, and whether you got it, what your delivery dates are. Just let me know down below.